Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the negative word ledu. Negative words in Telugu normally include ledu and kadu, which are equivalent to no or not in English. Radu can also be added to the list. Generally, if anyone questions about any work and action which is not done by you, you simply put ledu after the verb, especially in the past tense. For example, నువ్వు అన్నం తిన్నావా? Did you eat food? నేను అన్నం తినలేదు. I did not eat food. అతడు సినిమా చూశాడా? Did he watch the cinema? అతడు సినిమా చూడలేదు. No, he did not watch the cinema. In some other cases also, answer can be given as ledu to indicate that you are not going to do that action in present or future tense as well. But in such cases, you just need to say ledu. In any case, ledu cannot be added to the present tense or future tense verbs as suffix. Here are some examples for easy understanding. నువ్వు రేపు చెన్నైకి వెళ్తావా? Will you go to Chennai tomorrow? For this question, you can simply answer లేదు. That means you are not going to Chennai the next day. But if you want to add full negative sense to the answer, you have to answer as follows. లేదు, నేను రేపు చెన్నైకి వెళ్ళను. No, I will not go to Chennai tomorrow. If you observe in the above sentence, there is no addition of ledu after the verb. This is because the future tense or present tense verbs do not have ledu as suffix for the work and actions that are not done or to indicate the negative sense. They have different negative verb forms. Below is a table of some verbs to give a clear picture. చేయడం, చేయను, చేయలేదు, వెళ్ళడం, వెళ్ళను, వెళ్ళలేదు, చదవడం, చదవను, చదవలేదు, తినడం, తినను, తినలేదు. Explanation. Remove dum, that is the last letter of the gerund form of verb. Then the verb, for example, velladam, becomes vella. After removing dum, you can simply add no as suffix in both present and future tense for the first person singular and ledu in the past tense for all the persons. Then it becomes vellanu and vellaledu respectively. The suffixes that are to be added to different persons singular and plurals are as follows. First person singular. No. నేను తినను. I don't eat. First person plural. mu. మేము తినము. We don't eat. Second person singular. వు. నువ్వు తినవు. You don't eat. Second person plural. రు. మీరు తినరు. You don't eat. Third person singular. do or do. అతడు తినడు or ఆమె తినదు or అది తినదు. Third person plural. రు.